Hello everyone. I came out here to pick some berries and I was like, ugh, I gotta lift this thing up and pull this net up. That this is gonna be a hassle. I don't want to do it. Then it dawned on me, girl, put the net on a different way. Turn it upside down so that the opening is from the top. I know they tell you to put the opening at the bottom, but do it at the top. Let's change it. And just like that, now I can undo the top right here, open her up, pull her down, pick berries. Girl, why didn't you think about that before? That's crazy.